This is the Vintage Coach Court Bag, style number 9870, and this specific bag was made in Turkey in 1997, and it's in the beautiful color Mahogany Brown. So this is a really nice versatile bag because it comes with the top handle that you can see right here, and it also comes with an adjustable and detachable crossbody strap. So the strap attaches here to these side hardware pieces called D-rings, and like I mentioned, the strap is adjustable, so it can be a crossbody bag or it could be carried by the top handle, so it's nice you have those two options. So I'll go ahead and show you the rest of the bag now. So here's the front again, here's what the sides look like, and you can see the bag attached, and you can see the strap attached to the bag a little bit better. And then here's the back of the bag. It does have a pretty large back slip pocket too, which is really nice. So you could pretty easily fit a phone back here, I would say. And then I'll show you the inside of the bag. So it does have a front slip pocket here under this front flap. And then it also has a inside zip back pocket. So here is that zip pocket. It's got a pretty roomy interior as well. And then of course the Coach crate is back here. Here's a photo so you can see it a little bit better and see that the bag is authentic. So yeah, that's the Court bag. It's one of the more popular and classic vintage Coach bags, I would say. So if you wanted to check out this bag further, I will link it below in our Etsy shop in the description box below. But otherwise, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this bag, and I'll see you next time.